My name is Uriah Bell, and I've been living with HIV since 1997. HIV medications have helped me and many of the 1.1 million people in the U.S. living with HIV to enjoy a healthy life, but not everyone has the same access to these medications. There are programs like the Patient Assistance Program that provide free or discounted HIV medications to some people who may not be able to afford it. Each year, these programs are said to serve an estimated 30,000 people across the U.S. In the past, drug companies each had their own form, but this changed when U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services, Kathleen Sebelius, announced the Common Patient Assistance Program application at AIDS 2012.
We've joined together with the largest AIDS drug companies to create a single application form for AIDS medications offered through their patient assistance programs.
The Common HIV application form allows individuals to fill out one form versus several forms to apply to multiple companies.
The form can be completed online, though it does require an original signature, so you'll need to print and sign and have your doctor sign it as well.
Let's take a closer look at the form. The form provides detailed information about what documents you may need to submit. Specifically, you may need to include a copy of a recent pay stub, the first page of your most recent tax return, your Social Security check or awards letter, if you are insured, a copy of your insurance card and drug receipts, a copy of your prescriptions, and a list of any known drug allergies and current medications. Now for the form itself. In addition to general patient information and healthcare coverage, you will need to work with your provider to complete certain sections. We already mentioned they'll need to sign the form. They will also need to provide information such as their tax ID and their state license number. You'll also be asked to identify all the HIV medications you're taking, where you'd like the medication shipped, and details about your advocate if someone is filling out the form on your behalf.
All of us came together and decided that we could make this work. It was an effort to simplify the process, and it was an important effort that is unparalleled and not seen with very many other disease states.
And so it's important to us because we committed to making things easier for people with HIV and AIDS to access their medicines.
Janssen Therapeutics and the Johnson & Johnson Patient Assistance Foundation are proud to join our industry colleagues in working with HHS and other partners to increase access to life-extending medications to those living with HIV.
And by having access to and adhering to our medications, those of us living with HIV can take control of our HIV care, and most of all, we can take control of our lives. The form is available on AIDS.gov, hab.hrsa.gov, and nastat.org.